Welcome to today's video. We are diving into a fascinating and insightful conversation with our attorney Mary Kennedy, where random immigrants ask questions about the legal challenges, rights, and process they face when living and working in the United States. Whether you're navigating the immigration system or just curious about how it all works, this is the place for you. Stay tuned as we break down some common concerns and explore the answers straight from an expert. I see a lady there. Let's start with her.
Hi. So my question is, when a H-1B visa holder loses a job, he or she might just have 60 days. So how safe is it for them to convert to B2 visa? And once after they get a job, can they just convert back from B2 to H1? So I would like to know the options, and I would like to know how safe is it.
So the H-1B, right, 60 days grace period is available for them to find a new job. The 60 days is based on the I-94 as well. There should be a valid I-94 to make use of the 60 days. And yes, we had done many change of status from that of H-1B. In case if they are not able to find the job within the 60 days period, then they convert themselves to the B1, B2 option, and they can give the reasoning that they are still trying to find a job, which is allowed by the USCIS, and we had many cases that we have filed for it. Once they find an opportunity for them to convert themselves to the H-1B, that's done. But you have to seek an immigration counsel who can help you and guide you in the process.
ஸோ இப்போ கன்கரண்ட் விசா பற்றி தான். இப்போ வந்து ஒரு 2 H1 வச்சுக்கலாமா? ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு H1 வந்து இந்த 40 years நான் வந்து பில்டிங். ஸோ செகண்ட் H1 வந்து ஏதாவது லிமிட் இருக்கா?
So the concurrent H1B is you hold a primary H1B, and then the concurrent is if you find another opportunity, and the hours can be the same, 40 hours on a full time as well as on a concurrent. 40 hours is allowed, and legally you can be employed on the concurrent H1B. It's very similar to your primary H1B. So there is no problem. It's legally allowed.
நான் ஒரு 3 monthsல வந்து இந்தியா ட்ராவல் பண்ணலான்ட்டு ஸ்லாட்ஸ் புக் பண்ணேன், விசா ஸ்லாட்ஸ். நான் புக் பண்ணும்போது என்னோட I-140 இன் ப்ராக்ரஸில் இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ எம்ப்ளாயர் இட் குட் டு கோ. ஸோ நான் பிளான் பண்ணிட்டேன். பட் ஸ்டில் ஐ ஹாவ் ஒன் மோர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ஸோ நான் இன்டர்வியூவர் அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு 1 week முன்னாடி என்னுடைய I-140 இட்ஸ் காட் அப்ரூவ்ட்னா, ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்? இஸ் there any issue? Or what are the preparation I need to do for that?
So the I-140 doesn't have anything to do with your travel plans or any related travel. So the reason is if you're on a H-1B, depends on the situation. When you want to go, your visa has to be stamped and the availability and everything. But I-140 as such, on a very minimum advice, I wouldn't say it doesn't have to be restricting you from traveling.
I have completed my master's degree. So can I self-petition for my EB2 NIW green card?
So the NIW masters or PhD or an exceptional ability, you can definitely self-petition. I would say rather than going in detail about the NIW, what is the advantage? Why do people prefer NIW? Even just before we had a consultation. So the main advantage of being an NIW, it comes under the EB2. So there's no priority dates that is going to be faster if you have an EB2 already. The advantage here is the self-petition. So you don't need an offer letter or the employer's support if you have an NIW approval. The major advantage is it doesn't need an underlying perm. So you save almost 2 to 2.5 years if you can self-petition and you qualify for that. So more details, we also evaluate your profile resume as a free consultation. So if you need any questions in specific to your filings, we can ask you to email it to us, and we will evaluate and advise you appropriately.
And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found these insights helpful and informative. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. We love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.